Này đùng nhấp trai dày.
Này đông hiệp lời trời. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm continuing to talk about the bedtime Bible story. I know my English is not well, but I'm trying to talk and to learn more and more. I hope in the future on the Sunday I can speak English like you guys. And welcome to my channel and thank you for your watching. But right now I would like to share the story of God like the bedtime Bible story. So let we keep continue. I'm going to read for you. So have you heard about the story? Adam lived in the garden before, but right now you and I and everyone can discuss about this something because we are believe in God. So the reason why we believe in God, because number one, did you remember about the day one, and God created the earth, and day two, and God created the earth too. So we are going to day three. So day three, what happened? So we going now. Okay, day 3. Adam lived in the garden. Okay, if you know this one, the subject this one, you can open the Genesis chapter 2, verse 8 to 24. Okay, I'm reading for you right now. The man God created and was named Adam. And God planted a garden in the Eden to be Adam's home. And this garden was big, and 4 rivers ran toward it, and the beautiful plants and trees grew there. And they were good food, and God told Adam to take care of the garden. Next, God created the animals and birds out of the dust, and He brought them unto the man and Adam, named them all, and but Adam was alone. This is not good, God said. I will make someone and to be with Adam and to have him. So God made Eve. And the next one, day 4. So we are going to Eve is tricked by the serpent. God made Eve in the wonderful way. When the Adam was asleep, God took a rib out of him, and God made a woman with that rib, and brought her to the Adam. They loved each other. Adam named the woman Eve, and they lived at the feast in the beautiful garden. They cared for it as God asked, and God walked with them there. And 2 special trees and grew in the Eden. One was named the tree of life, and God warned them about the other tree. It was a tree of the knowledge of good and evil. If you eat of this tree, He said, you will die. Now there was a snake and a creature in the garden, and the serpent, he said to Eve, did God say you and should you eat the tree of knowledge? Eve answered, He said, If we do, we will die. That is not true, the serpent lied. Eat it, and you will be like God. Eve believed him and ate the tree's fruit, and she gave some to Adam, and he ate it. Suddenly they knew, and they were wrong, and for the first time, and they were afraid to meet God. Adam and Eve and leave the garden. And Genesis chapter 3, verse 8 and to 24. God was in the cold garden freezing, and both Adam and Eve were hiding among the trees. "Where are you?" called God. "I heard your voice prayed," and the man answered, "So I hide from you." "Did you eat from the tree I warned you about?" asked God. "And the woman gave me the fruit and ate it." The man said, "So God spoke to the woman, 'What have you done?' And the serpent tricked me," and she said, "And I ate." And God told the serpent, "And you have done this, and so you wilt away a crowd on your belly. You and her child will fight, and he will crush your head, and you will bite him on the heel." And then God told the woman, "You will have a child. You will have a children, but you will be in pain, and when you do." Adam, God said, "You listen to her and ate from the tree. So you must work for all you get from the earth, and you will sweat and support all your life. I made you out of the dark, so you will return back into dark." And then God sent them out the garden, and question like, who tricked Eve, and how did God punish the serpent? So, the next one we will to listen about day 6. Cain murdered his brother. Adam and Eve lived outside the garden until they died. A flaming and swore the path to the tree of life. No one has gone back there since their life. And Eva gave birth to a baby boy named Cain, and her second baby was a boy named Abel. When the boys became men, and they worked like their father. Cain was a farmer, Abel was a shepherd. One day, Cain brought fruit to give to God, and he worked to grow the fruit on his palm. Abel has a gift for God too, and he gave a lamb, and that had been born in the field. And God was happy with Abel's gift, but he refused Cain's gift. Cain became angry, and so God asked him, "Why are you angry? And be careful, sin might catch you." And later, and Cain killed Abel, and while he was walking in a field. And God asked Cain, "Where is your brother?" "And I don't know," Cain answered. "And so I care for my brother." "What have you done?" God said. "Listen, Abel, blood is crying to me from the ground. You murder Abel, you will always live under a curse." So Cain went away and from God. He lived it of the Eden in the land of North. Hello guys, thank you for your following and watching. If you're interested, please subscribe and share this story to your friend and your family. So, if you believe in God, but I hope you understand what we follow God and what we worship in God. Because God create the earth for everyone to live. Don't forget, God loves you. So love everyone on the world. But don't forget, subscribe and share to everyone. And thank you for your listening and thank you for your watching. Have a good night and have a day to you all. And thank you.